Greetings, people of the world. Well, I'm gutted. I so wanted to get inside this place as well, but as you can see, I'm a bit late to join the party. We're gonna have a wander around the side because there is still much of it left. That ain't good. No prizes for guessing what's happened there. But yes, it's an insurance claim, no doubt. If we come back later, I may see if I can get inside what is left of this place. Should they leave any of it. We'll leave it there for now, because I'm not sure these people will want me filming them. Oh my god! I can't believe I missed an opportunity, but I will explain why when I come back later. Alrighty, and today's date is Thursday, July the 21st, 2022, just for the record. I'm back, and it's still in the process of being demolished. I mean, there's a way in here, but I'm not going to be stupid and go in now. But if it's still open later, well, I can walk in. I hope it is. Look at the scrap metal they're collecting. It looks like one of the U-plans, but it probably isn't in this case, because I don't think they have any interest in an old pub. Anyway, let's have a look round here again. There's not really much to film, but what I am going to do is see if I can find any weaknesses in advance for when I come back later. And yes, I may be able to crawl under there. Remember the stairwell? Flipping heck. Looks like a bomb's hit it, which is probably not an appropriate thing to say under the current climate. Well, the back wall's still there anyway. And there's Homer Simpson smoking a spliff. Might be able to capture that before it goes forever. Check this out for a vantage point. I'm in the trees. Somebody's walking past. I'll wait till they've gone and get down a bit. This makes a great shot. I wonder if we can go higher up. What is this place? I've never been up here before. It's some kind of wilderness. This is turning into a different kind of adventure. What is over here? A fallen tree? It looks like where you'd expect Predator again. Go on, while we're here. Oh, it's a fence. I know what it is. Yeah, it's the back of some builder's yard or something. There's loads of black pipes there. No, that's private property. It's that small house with the flower pot, man. Oh no. You get me bearings. I don't know where that path was now. That was it. Very noisy. Right, let's go back down here again. If I can stand up. Alright, that'll do for now. There's too many people about. I'll see you soon.